Hello guys, I'm so excited again to do another video to grow your business. My videos is primarily catering to entrepreneurs, business owners, people who are looking to start up their own business. And today I'll be speaking to you on ITIN, what is ITIN means, what is the benefits. For those of you who are not following me already, please follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, and I'm also on Facebook. I'm also on TikTok. On my Instagram account is Bad Accountant, all one word. You can also follow my business page, which is Intensive Financial. I'll be posting the link on below the comment section. So please, if you like this video, please comment and like and share this video. That way I could do more videos like this. So let's start the topic, which is ITIN. ITIN stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. It is primarily used as a substitute for Social Security number. So basically, if you don't or qualify to get Social Security number, then you have to apply for ITIN. And most likely, if you're just coming to the country for the first time and you're not resident alien, or your person came in with a student visa, or a researcher, or professor, or doctor, but you don't have a resident status as a United States citizen, you probably have to apply for ITIN for those jobs that you're seeking for in the United States. And that way you'll be able to file tax at the end of the year. It's primarily for the purpose of filing taxes, but most people now use it for employment purposes because your employer will not hire you without having an ITIN or Social Security number. So because the ITIN is a substitute for Social Security number, you need to have it to get employment in the United States when you come into the United States. And not only that, it's also beneficial for you to open a savings account. Any interest-bearing account that you want to open with a bank, you probably need an ITIN to open that account. So again, if you also probably need it also for acquiring a credit card or loan from a bank. If you're interested in getting a credit card or loan from a bank, and I think not the last actually, you can also use it to purchase a house. If you want to purchase a house, you need a mortgage. The mortgage broker will need your ITIN to facilitate you getting a mortgage from a bank account, from a bank. And I think the last of the list is if you want to open your own business, or as I said, this is for business people who want to achieve their own status as an entrepreneur, or you want to open your own business. You need an ITIN to open your business, and also to be compliant with the tax laws in the United States to pay your taxes more primarily. So again, if you're a student visa person who's coming to the United States, you're a researcher, you are a doctor, or maybe an ambassador, you will need an ITIN to get those jobs in the United States, and also to be exempted from paying taxes anyway as an ambassador to another country that is coming here for some political reasons. So those are the reasons why you get an ITIN. But if you're interested in getting it and you don't know how to get it, please give us a call. Our number here is 718-378-2610 to get it. Our website is www.intensivefinancialservice.com. I just want to make sure you guys understand, when you go to my website, it's going to say CPA, but please note that we are not licensed in New York. We do not practice as a licensed CPA in New York. So please be aware of this. It's a disclaimer. Although I have a license in several other states like New Jersey, Atlanta, Georgia, Texas. So please be aware of this. We only practice as a tax preparation service in New York. Thank you so much. Please, if you like this video, please support by clicking the like button, support by sharing these videos to your friends or people who you know might need this video to help them. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.